Gardening is an immersive experience. The colors, the smells, it all just works. And you don't have to be perfect. You can be loose with it. Anyway, let's go see what our obsessive gardeners are doing. So what do you like about gardening?
I don't like gardening. I love gardening. It's about slowing down, switching off. You want to see what I've been working on?
Yeah.
Let's go. I got everything right from sun to soil. Boom.
Oh, wow. The color is phenomenal. I'm obsessed.
Thanks.
So I love growing me some carrots, celery, but nothing beats a homegrown cucumber, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
Yeah, basically I don't, oh! Get out of here, this way, no, this way! Protect yourself. All it needs is some tender love and care. I mean, look. Grow, come on, grow. Grow and grow, grow.
You must have magic fingers because this is magical.
I know, but I don't know much about gardening. I just do it for the butterflies, the nature, the trees. I just do it my own way.
You're doing it right. This is amazing. Thank you so much for showing this to me.
You're welcome.
Wow, that was some crazy big veg, but I'm sad to say that our fun day has come to an end. Until next time, keep growing.